Trust Wallet is a mobile wallet where you can store your cryptos safely, away from all the exchanges that are collapsing left and right. The app is simple to use and best of all, it's free. So in this video, I will show you how to use Trust Wallet. I'll be giving a step-by-step guide on how to set it up, transfer your crypto in, and of course, how to transfer your crypto out. Alright, let's start right now. First of all, head over to the App Store and search for Trust Wallet. Make sure that the app is developed by 6 Days LLC. Then download the app. After the download is completed, open the app, tap on Create a new wallet. Tick to agree to the terms and conditions that you are too lazy to read, then continue. Create a passcode for your app, then verify it. Just tick everything here, then continue. You'll be shown your secret phrase. This phrase is super important because it's the backup key for your app. As long as you have the backup key, you'll be able to recover your cryptos if anything happens. Keep it at a safe place and never tell anyone about it, yeah? Once you have copied it down, tap continue and just verify your secret phrase. And congratulations! You have successfully set up your crypto wallet. You will see that by default, they are already showing a few tokens. But if you want to add other tokens, you can just tap on add tokens to find a token that you want. Otherwise, you can also tap on the plus button to add a custom token. For this tutorial, I'll just show you how to send Bitcoin into your Trust Wallet. To do that, tap on Bitcoin, receive, and they will show you the Bitcoin address. Don't try to type out the address because you might copy it wrongly, yeah? Instead, tap on share, then share it to somewhere where you can copy and paste the address. I'll just share it to my Gmail instead. Then head over to the crypto exchange that you want to transfer from. In my case, I'm using Coinbase. Choose the crypto and enter how much you want to transfer over. Pro tip, if it's your first time transferring, try with a small amount first, like $5 or $10. That way, if you transfer wrongly, at least you won't lose everything, yeah? They will then ask you to enter an address. Head over to the email that you sent earlier, copy the address, head back, and paste it in. Then click continue. Due to Singapore regulations, you might be asked to enter some additional info. So just do that. Preview send, double check that your crypto address is correct. If everything is alright, click send now and just wait for the crypto to arrive. Typically, the crypto will take about 30 minutes to arrive. If you are using Coinbase, you can check the transaction by going to Assets, click on your crypto, click Wallet, and you will see the transaction status here. If the status says complete, that means the transfer is done. If you have transferred the crypto correctly, you will see the crypto appearing in the Trust Wallet. Otherwise, you might have transferred it to the wrong address, yeah? So that's how to transfer the crypto from the exchange to your wallet. Next, I will show you how to transfer your cryptos back out to an exchange. In the app, tap on your crypto, tap on send. Here, you will need to enter an address. So just head over to your exchange, look for your crypto, and you will find your address. You can either scan the QR code or just copy and paste the address over. Enter the amount, then tap on next. Check everything is alright, then confirm the transfer. Now, you will just have to wait for the transfer to complete. If you want to check the status, you can tap on the transaction and you will see the status here. So that was a super quick tutorial on how to use the Trust Wallet. Here are a few things to take note. First, what happens if you accidentally delete your Trust Wallet or lose your phone? The crypto is not stored in the Trust Wallet, yeah? It's stored online on the blockchain. So if you ever lose the app, no worries. As long as you have the secret phrase, you'll be able to recover the cryptos. So don't lose your secret phrase, yeah? Is the Trust Wallet safe? Yes and no. The code for the Trust Wallet is entirely open source, so you can go and check the code if you even know how to do it. But no worries, many other people have audited it and they found it to be safe. However, the problem here is that it's a hot wallet, meaning the private key is stored on your phone, which is online most of the time. If your phone is compromised, the hackers would then be able to gain access to your wallet. So that's why Trust Wallet is not 100% safe. But with that being said, it's definitely much safer than keeping your cryptos on the exchanges, yeah? If you really want a safer way to store your cryptos, you will need to spend money to get a cold wallet like the Ledger, which I already have a tutorial for. Anyway, that's all for this video. Do let me know if you need tutorials for anything else, yeah? Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.